Making your own coconut milk extract at home is not only a rewarding experience, but also allows you to enjoy the rich and creamy goodness of fresh coconut milk. In this video, we will guide you through a simple process to create homemade coconut milk extract. Using the natural ingredients found within a ripe coconut. Open the ripe coconut. Start by locating the shell or seam of the coconut. Use a knife or coconut opener to carefully pry it open. Collect the coconut water. Once the coconut is open, pour the coconut water into a separate container. Extract the meat. Gently scrape the meat out. Using a coconut scraper, ensure you remove the meat entirely from the coconut shell. Combine meat and coconut water. Transfer the scraped coconut meat into a blender. Add the coconut water you collected earlier into the blender as well. Blend the mixture. Blend the coconut meat and coconut water together until you achieve a smooth consistency. The blending process helps to release the natural oils and flavors from the coconut meat. Extract the milk. Place a nut milk bag or cheesecloth over a large bowl or jug. Pour the blended mixture into the bag or cloth and slowly squeeze and press to extract the milk. Continue this process until you've extracted as much milk as possible. Homemade coconut milk extract can be used immediately in your favorite recipes or stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. Remember to give it a good shake before using, as natural separation may occur. One ripe coconut can yield approximately 500 ml of homemade coconut milk extract. The exact amount may vary depending on the size of the coconut.